Hey, what is up, K-Fam? Today I'm going to show you my slime collection. Now I'm showing you all the slimes or putties. Most of these are all store-bought. Now, not all of them are in their same containers, but yeah. But I only have 4 that are good, and I'm keeping the rest of the bad ones. I just give to my brother, or I just put them in my closet. So I'm going to show you them real quick. I'm going to start with all of my bad ones that I had, and I'm just so sad, actually. Actually, all of these are in the containers. Hold on. I'm fixing something real quick. Oh my god. They're so bad. They're so bad. I think I only like 3 of these are homemade. Now, just to let you know, I did not make any of these. I got them from my friend or like a cousin. Ooh. So, I'm going to start with this one. This is called Boing Boing Putty. And it was like a foam. Like this. It was a really squishy foam. But it actually dried up. And now, but it's actually bouncy. But you're supposed to be able to like stretch it and move it. But it dried up and doesn't do that anymore. Sadly. Then I got this one I got from my cousin. It was not glittery and it was a pretty orange. But now it's this ugly orange. And I paid glitter and it's super stiff actually. And I don't like it, and I'm so sad. Then, hold on, let me scooch back a little bit. Okay, there you go. Is that better? Yeah. Let me show you the table. So sorry. Then I have this glitter putty I got from the Dollar Tree. I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree, actually. Here's the poking. The poking's not good at all. It's kind of dry. It was clear with glitter in it, but it's rips, doesn't poke, it's just, cram it back in the container. Oh no! It's so hard to close these containers. Oh my god. Stay. Then I got this one from a store, like a beach store, and this was $2.99. There was actually more in it, but of course when it would dry out. Oh Jesus, there's like liquid on the top. Why? Anyway, it's a little stretchy. It's not really pokey. It was really see-through, but I accidentally got white paint in it, and this whole thing was filled up. But now it's not. Then I got this one. This one was my favorite slime out of all times. I added Model Magic to it. I got the wrong Model Magic, and it hardened on me. This one was my bubble slime. It made bubbles. It was fluffy. It was just amazing, but now it's just horrible. It doesn't really poke. It's more like a stress one, but I don't like it. Like, I'm so sorry. And also, like, if you have, like, slime and it's kind of, like, messed up, you put it in the microwave, and it makes it better. This one was the Model Magic where if you heat it up, it hardens, and I put it in the microwave. So, yeah. These 2 right here I got from my cousin, and I added glitter to this one and Model Magic, and it made it horrible. I was a really good slime keeper. Then I got this one, same, Model Magic. This one already had a weird texture. Like, I don't know. It's almost like cloud slime. I don't know. I just don't like it. I don't know. I don't feel too good about it. See? Those are all my slimes that are ruined and horrible. And what I do is I put them in this blue bucket here. And I just put it in my brother's room. Ooh, this is going to be hard. To get all these in here. Jesus. Linda. Anyway, there's the bucket. Now, here are the 4 slimes that are really good. Now, I have this Air Thingy Putty. It's Superfly. Well, I liked it because it was like really pretty. The color was beautiful. But I had purple glitter. I added purple glitter to it, and it's not really blue and green anymore like it was. It's more purple, or like, I don't know how to explain. Hold on, my hands are oily. God. Ah! Open! Okay, here it is now. Is this light bothering me? Hold up. My phone and this lighting does not like each other. Hold on. Oh my god! Undo it. Thank you. Is that better? Now let me turn my actual light on. Better! Yeah. Well, here it is. I have this like little fork thingy. But now it's just purple with purple glitter. It's really pretty too. Then that's a good one. Then I got this one. This one did not have, it had glitter in it, but it was super small and it was orange. But I added purple and like light pink, and it made this beautiful coral, like, oh my god. And all the, this is a store-bought one. You can't really stretch it far, but so good. I love it. Oh, go in. Yes, it does leave a little bit of glitter on your hands, but it's really pretty. Then I got this one from the Dollar Tree. Now, the reason why there's not a lot in here is because I actually had an instant, like, yesterday where I went to a sleepover, and I put this in my bag, and the container popped open, and all of the slime leaked out into my bag and all over my clothes, and it was really bad. This is only how much I saved from it, but there's still a lot. Like, oh, Jesus, if I show y'all. Right here. This actually is a pink one, but I added glitter in it. You see the glitter? Yeah. I love this one, and yes, it's a noise putty, but there's not a lot anymore, so it doesn't really make noises because it's all the way at the bottom. But I just got this one last night. It is a glow and dark green one from the Dollar Tree. First, let me kind of clean off my hands a little bit. Sorry. Ooh. This is so pretty. It's like green. Let me try this. Oop. I love it. Is this better for y'all? I switched sides on accident. Sorry, but yeah. But it rips really easy, but I just love the texture. But yeah. But I just love these slimes. So those are the 4 that are still good. And those are the ones I put in my brother's room. Oh, and I went to the Dollar Tree last night. And you see this fan? It has like this tassel, the metal. Here it is. And I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1, and it's really nice. Everything in my room's like from the Dollar Tree. But I'm gonna go put this back in my brother's room. And yes, he's playing video games, so you're gonna be hearing him talking. What are you doing? Anyway.
It's a bug.
What are you?
It's a bug.
Yeah, there's my brother. Ooh, yes. Up here. So, wait. I was about to do something. Yeah. I'm gonna show you my squishies. I haven't showed YouTube or my channel my squishies in forever. So here's my bread. I love it. Then my banana. Smells good too. My puppy. My milk carton. My little narwhal. Pineapple. Penguin. This is my most slow rising one, I think. It's between these two And these. My peach. These three right here. Like what? Oh, you can't see this one. Peach is already done slow rising, so it's not my peach then. Pink one. Then my diamond. So those are literally all my squishies. I don't have a lot, so sadly, but I don't. Where'd you win somewhere? Okay. Those are my squishies. My room is the best. Hold on. I do have a whole bunch of paper squishies, but I'm not really gonna show y'all my paper squishies because I'm just not. There's so many, and yeah. So thanks for watching, KFam. Bye.